In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Project IGI on your laptop or PC in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Step 1, start by opening any web browser, Chrome, Firefox, or whichever you prefer. In the search bar, type download IGI site GOG. You'll see a list of websites, but make sure you open the official site, which is www.gog.com. Step 2, once you're on GOG.com, use the search bar to look for Project IGI. You might also see related titles like IGI. Make sure you're signed into your GOG account before proceeding. Step 3, once you've found the game, click on Add to Cart, then open your cart and click on Go to Checkout. Now here's a trick. Sometimes the game may be free or available at a discount using coupon codes. You can find these by simply Googling latest GOG.com code. Enter the code if you have one to get the game for free or at a reduced price. Step 4, payment and download. If it's a paid version, GOG supports multiple payment options like Google Pay, escrow, PayPal, credit/debit cards. Once your order is complete, you'll be able to download and install IGI right from your GOG library. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Project IGI on your PC or laptop in just a few simple steps.